Meaning of hired hand.
Hired hand.
Hired hand.
Hired hand.
Hired hand. A hired hand refers to an employee who is hired to work for someone else, usually on a temporary basis. The term is often associated with agricultural or manual labor where workers are hired to perform tasks such as harvesting crops or tending to livestock. Hired hands are typically paid by the hour or for a specified period of time, and they are not considered permanent employees. Some hired hands may be independent contractors who work on a project-by-project basis. In general, the term connotes a certain degree of informality and lack of job security.